funky.
Hey, we made it out. We got a bunch of cars pulling up, getting ready for the track. My man just got back from Slander. My man knocked out, boy. Look at all these. They got Spec Miata today. Spec Corvette today, boy. Oh, shit. They're pulling up, boy. Yo, we here. Just lining up to check in. My man's still sleeping.
Oh, I'm so tired, bro. Hey, we in, boy. I hope we're in. What is it? God damn, it's so early in the morning. Welcome back, guys. I'm hella tired.
Yo.
Just got back from Slander, no sleep. Straight into the car, bro. You tired. Hey, just tight.
Today we do some real driving.
Real driving?
I was gonna bring an easy up, but I'm too scared.
The fuck? Hey. Thumbnail. God damn, it's too cold, bro.
Why is it so cold?
For real.
Like it? My tool bag.
Hey.
Brand new seats, bro.
Boss, are you, oh, for real?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Good morning, NASA drivers. It is almost 8 a.m. If you are in the ATV type car, you should be walking to the center building. Come to the shaded canopy. We will have our mandatory driver meeting in 1 minute.
Yo, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are at the track. Yes, sir.
Real driving, bro.
Some real driving.
I was too shy to bring a fucking 10. So this is our setup.
Yeah.
Here, that's it.
Two chairs in the car, that's it. That's all you need, bro. Hey, why they looking going fast, bro? Why they looking going fast as fuck? It's just tight. Look at that. Oh my god. Yo. They go hella fast, bro. What the hell? What the fuck? Going, baby. Let's go. Hey, why is bro got a number 67? 67. 67. A Mini Cooper, bro. Shit. 29. This guy's racing the damn Tesla today. It's tight. How was it?
Hey, that thing was fun, but if you're in a white 86, you need to honor your port by, bro. Fast back here, bro.
What the fuck?
I had a cool truck, his name's Dylan. He told me the next time we're out there, he's gonna give us a hack. So when we start not behind the slow car.
Yup.
That was too slow.
Too slow.
Yeah, that shit was fun though.
That was fun.
It's scary.
Is it?
Huh?
Is it?
Yeah. But next time I'm gonna make it scarier.
The fuck? You gotta cool down the engine, bro.
Right? What happens to that water? It starts to slow down, right? Because the energy knows where it's going. So, you're taking that space, right? From brake to throttle. Now that energy is starting to settle. And what happens? Now you have grip. But what happens when the steering wheel's like this? Do you accelerate? No. You carry the momentum.
Alright. Alright, y'all, so. No, I don't. Alright, so. We're gonna take a little break from the race. The racing. We're finna get some grub right now, bruh. We're finna get some grub. Hey. Oh, damn. No, I don't.
Sure.
You didn't give me your wallet. Hey, how'd my car make it here, bro? What the hell?
On that last lap, oh my, cold brown, bro, cold brown, bro. Cold brown.
Oh my, shit stains everywhere.
Look, cold brown, bro.
Hey, what happened?
Yeah, I'll input the dash cam footage right now, bro. You'll see. Holy. But hey, numbers off. About to head home. Hope you guys like this. For coming to the track with us. Johnny has to bring his car out next time.
Yup.
HPV1.
Yes, sir.
Coming for you.
Yes, sir.
Next time, no cold brown though.
No cold brown next time. No cold brown.